The impact of the web-scale world, much different than the way it was historically, largely because of the volume of data that we've talked about. You can't hire enough humans to be able to analyze enough spreadsheets to be able to make actionable decisions. And so instead, what you're really needing to rely on is automation. So how can we take this data, analyze it in real time, and then truly take action? Not send someone an email and let them know what they should do, but actually have an autonomous computing environment, one that can really take action, one that can move workloads around, one that can deploy and provision dynamically in real time. All of that takes a lot of analytics and algorithms to be able to do that accurately. And so that's really important. When you think about that environment, then now you start talking about efficiency. So how can you make that environment where you deploy all of this on-premises hardware and infrastructure and applications, how can you make it run efficiently? When it was in your data center, not that difficult in that you could buy more storage, you could deploy more networks, and all of that was more capital expenditure, right, off of your balance sheet. Now, where most organizations are looking at software as a service and ways of saying, I've got to take my operating expenses to be able to deploy these services in real time. Average server utilization in the data center today, it's between 7 and 12%. That means that 88 to 93% of the server isn't being utilized. In your own data center, there's no real hard dollar costs for that lack of utilization. Move that same workload to the cloud, now all of a sudden you're paying for 88 to 93% of something you're not using, and you're doing it in your run rate. And so more organizations are looking for ways to say, I can't have that, so I've got to improve the utilization, i.e. the efficiency of my application and my infrastructure, or else I'm going to go broke. So that's a really important concept.